Hey y'all, just a quick update. We are safe and warm in...
Oh my goodness.
Texas. Sorry, y'all know I get a little excited when it comes to this. But because our schedule was jacked up between the weather and a whole bunch of different travel days we weren't planning on, we did not get a chance to cook a video for this week.
Cook a video?
Cook a video. Cooking. We didn't get a chance to do something for you as far as cooking for the midweek crock pot, slow cooker,
well,
cooking
we were
Chris's
behind
dishes.
And then we didn't have what we needed, and it's all been a thing. And then the problem is, like,
My hat's crooked.
we need to get something on the channel, and we can't wait 6 to 8 hours for something to cook. So,
Yeah.
but we'll be back for Foodi Friday.
Yes, no midweek cooking video instead, because we were freezing last week, and frankly, it's too nice to be sitting inside. I'm gonna go fishing today instead. But we'll be back on Friday. We'll have a vlog for you probably this weekend. And until then, our dog's just going nuts. My gosh, just look at this.
He does not perform.
He is not our performing dog.
He's like, what? I'm eating.
That was the most anticlimactic thing I've ever tried to show you.
But in the meantime, you guys can go check out Mikey's album on Amazon Music, Spotify, or your favorite app, except for Apple. We're working with them, gonna get it there, and we'll let you know when it is there.
Their wheels are turning a little slow, so if you listen to Amazon, I'm there. If you listen to Spotify, I'm there. If you listen to Deezer, Pandora, iHeartRadio, I'm there.
Yeah.
So go listen to it somewhere, and then I'll let you know when it comes on iTunes if y'all are iTunes people. Yeah, you know, instead of like watching a 30-minute cooking video, go listen to me for 30 minutes.
I listen to them all the time.
Is that a bad thing?
No. I was trying to be a recommendation.
You're a great spokesperson, honey.
I've got, like, your...
Wait. There we go.
All right, guys. Well, we will see you on Friday with Foodi Friday.
Love you, bye.
Bye.